guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. We are using Julio's car again. Julio, tell everybody where they can get all these awesome products.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Now, we're not cleaning this car. He's been driving down quite a few dirt roads lately. So we're going to show you how to get rid of swirl marks. Would you take a dry paper towel like this right here and go like this over dirt? Show you how dirty it is? No, you would not do that. Let me share with you how bad the swirl marks are on this car. All right, let's get up close and see just how badly this is scratched up. All right, you can see all the scratches right here from using the paper towel on dirty paint, and there's other scratches in here as well. I mean, it's bad enough you can see it from the distance we're at right now, which is about 2 feet. Okay, we're not doing this as you would normally do it. We're just doing this to be really rough on this paint, really rough. You would never do what I'm doing right here as far as cleaning this with glass cleaner or using a paper towel to clean it. That shows you how dirty it is, or was. That just scratched it even more. Now, what we're going to do, you would do this. We're going to clay bar it. Seems how you have all this extra time. We're going to spray our luster lube on. Again, all these products will be in the show more of the video's description. I'm going to clay bar this area. That will remove all the impurities that we embedded into the clear when we cleaned it like that with a paper towel. You can see that, how much it picked up. Okay, we'll wipe that area clear with a clean microfiber. Now, these microfibers we use are the best you can buy, and they are extremely affordable, and they're huge. Very large. Now let's get up close again and I'll show you the scratches are still there. See the scratches right there? Scratches right there. Now those are in the car. The swirl marks, see all that? See how the light's making it look all cobwebby and swirly? Here we go. Now the product that we're using will be in the show more as well. They have not paid us a dime to do this, to share this with you. But this is what we use now to get rid of all swirl marks. You just put a small dime size amount right there. Take the pad that they give you and you buff it until it starts to dry and disappear on you in a circular overlapping motion. Now you should have plenty of time at home to do this. And you want to do it by hand. So after you buff your car out however you want, we got lots of videos on buffing your car out. You get it all buffed out, you get it all done. Do this the very last thing you do before you do a final wax on it or ceramic coat it with our ceramic coating that we use. This will take all the cobwebs, all the swirl marks out and all the scratches out of the paint. So when you do your final last coat, it will be as beautiful as you can possibly get it. Now you can see it's starting to disappear. Now we'll take one more clean microfiber and buff it. Just like that. Now let's get up close. All right, now let's see if we can do this. You see the scratch here? This scratch here continues all the way across the car, clear over to here. This is where we did it in here. This is where we buffed it in here. Look at that. You can see the scratch there, and you can see the scratch there. We have never seen anything like this. This is what you would do prior to doing your last final waxing and your last final ceramic coating.